In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import questions into Google Forms. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull in existing questions from another form so you don't have to rebuild anything from scratch. First, open your form in Google Forms. You can start with a brand new form or an existing one. Either is fine. If you're not already signed into your Google account, make sure you are and confirm you have access to the other form you want to pull questions from. It helps to give your current form a clear title so you'll recognize it later. Next, look to the right side of the editor for the vertical toolbar. Among the icons, click Import Questions. If your window is narrow and you don't see it, try widening your browser or scrolling a bit. The icon looks like a document with an arrow. When the import panel opens, select the source form, the one that already contains the questions you want. You'll usually see a list of your recent forms, but you can also use the search bar or click through your Drive folders to find the right one. If you manage multiple versions with similar names, hover to preview the title or open another tab to double-check its contents before selecting. After choosing the source form, you'll see a list of its questions. Now pick the questions you want to add to your current form. You can select all of them or just a few. Take a moment to review question types and wording. If you're combining content from different forms, think about consistency in tone and formatting. For example, ensure all multiple-choice answers use similar capitalization, and that scales, dates, or short answer prompts match the style of your current form. If your source form used sections, be mindful of how those imported questions will fit into the structure of your new form. When you're ready, click Import. The selected questions will appear in your current form, keeping their original types and options. This is a great time to scan for duplicates, adjust any branching or required settings, and make small edits so everything aligns with your goals. If you made a mistake or grabbed extra questions, you can delete or reorder them easily using the drag handles. Before sharing your form, click the Preview button to test the flow from a respondent's perspective. Check that the imported questions look right, that multiple choice options display correctly, and that required fields behave as expected. That's it. You've successfully imported questions into your Google form, saving time and keeping your content consistent.